Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to add a profile picture in Outlook. First of all, you open any browser and open Outlook in the browser. Then, go to the right side and click on the profile icon. After that, click on Profile. Once it's open, click on Add a photo. Then, click on Add a photo and add your photo. Just your photo. Scroll down, and click on Save. Then, check if your photo has been uploaded as your profile. Open a new tab. Open Outlook. Go to the right side, and click on the profile icon. Your profile picture has been added. That's the way to add a profile picture in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.